Good afternoon, student. Today we'll study about the chapter 9 viviparous and oviparous animals. Some animals give birth to young ones, while some animals lay eggs, which later develop into young ones. The animals that give birth to young ones are called viviparous animals. So children, example dog, cow, cat, lions are some example of viviparous animals. In some animals, the mother gives birth to babies. Those animals that lay eggs are called oviparous animals. Example, frog, lizard, etc. Okay children, next young ones of adults. The young ones which are either born or hatched from eggs keep on growing until they become adults. You might have seen many animals' young ones growing. Different organisms grow in different way. In some organisms, the young ones look different from the adults. You can see the example insect like silkworm. The caterpillar is different from the adult mold. The life cycle of the silkworm is egg first, then larva or caterpillar, a pupa, adult, silkworm. You can see here life cycle of a frog. In the life cycle of a frog, there is first is the egg, okay, fertilized egg. After that, tadpole or larva. In the tadpole, 2-3 days old tadpoles, 6 days old tadpoles, 12 weeks old tadpoles, 16 weeks old. After that, adult frog. Okay children, these all are the life cycle of frog. Next, you will study about the asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. It is the simplest form of reproduction. Some microscopic organisms like hydra, amoeba reproduce through asexual reproduction. There are many more asexual reproduction. You will study such asexual reproduction in higher classes. In your portion, it is given only asexual reproduction, budding in hydra and binary fission in amoeba. Rest of all you will study in the higher classes. Hydra is a microscopic organism. First, budding in hydra. Hydra is a microscopic organism that reproduce by budding. If you observe a permanent slice of hydra under a microscope, you will notice the bulges. Okay children, you can see here example of hydra. In each hydra there may be one or more bulges. These bulges are developing new individuals and they called buds. These buds later mature to become individual hydra. Sometimes it remains attached to the parent hydra and sometimes it detaches since the new individuals develop as outgrowth from a single parent. It is a kind of asexual reproduction. As the new individuals develop from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Okay children, next in hydra the budding takes. Next is the binary fission in amoeba. This is also another method of asexual reproduction which is observed in another microscopic organisms like amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism. The process of reproduction in amoeba begins by the division of its nucleus into two nuclei. This is followed by division of a cytoplasm into two each part, receiving nucleus. It develops a constriction in the body which depend gradually. Finally, two daughter amoeba are produced from one parent amoeba. This type of asexual reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called binary fission. You can see the example here. First dividing nucleus, then constriction, after that two daughter amoeba produce. In this way, binary fission in amoeba. Okay children, you will learn this all and you will draw in your copy this life cycle of a frog and budding, reproduction in hydra by budding and this binary fission in amoeba. These 3 drawing you have to draw in your copy, and rest of the questions or answer whatever you have to do, I will inform you. Okay children, bye, good luck.